Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to run our first Python web. So here I am using Kali Linux and this is my terminal. We have learned that Python is an interpreter language and it is an interactive language. So what is meant by interactive? Interactive language is nothing but it interacts with you as we ask questions, it answers. If I type Python here and enter. By default it's Python 3 version. So here it has opened my console. This is my Python work area. So if I write any question, any comment, it instantly replies to me. Let us type of it. So this is called as interactive. Well, I ask one question, it answers. Ask one question, it answers. It can be anything which that question has to be in the syntax. So let us say, for example, Python has an inbuilt calculator. It works as a calculator. If I type, it gives us my result. So this is called as interactive language. To exit from this, we use exit command. Constant. Python has inline execution. So to perform our inline execution, we use -c. Like this. Now it executes clean. I don't need to open a script for this single command. So we can see what are the options we have like this. Like I can see what are the other options we have. We go there, we will use man Python. And here you can see Python has many other options like I can see. Hyphen B, capital B, hyphen D, hyphen E. What are these going to do? You can go down and check command line options. You can be generate dot universal. You can play with this. Here you can see I have used IFNC command, which is to specify the command to execute. In Kali Linux, I am using man to get the help. If you are using command prompt, you can use Python hyphen help. It also gives us what are the options we have. Here I have even you can see program passed in as a string. You can see here I have passed the print command in a string. Now let us see how to create our first Python program in a script. So here I am going to take Sublime text editor to write my script. Let us say I want to see it. Print command is used to display anything on my output screen. So let us say print and save this in a folder with .py extension. Let's say that's sample. Save it. Now we can execute this from that. In order to execute this, we need to navigate to that command. By default, you can be in any folder. If you are in command prompt, you can be in system critical folder, or you can be in C folder, C drive, any folder. So you need to navigate to your folder where you have saved the program. So let us navigate using cd command. CD. I have saved here in downloads Python programs. Now by type ls. In Kali Linux, I am using ls to list my files and folders. In command prompt, you can use dir to list your folders and other files. To clear the screen, I am using here clear. In command prompt, you can use cls. It is Linux, it is not recognizing it. In command prompt, you have to use cls to clear the screen. In Linux, I am using clear. If I want to execute the command, execute my script, I'm going to write Python and give my file name, 17.py. Oh, it is executed. This is how our first Python script is executed. You can play with this. You can see it also executes numbers as if calculated. If I give any arithmetic equation, it will give result instantly. You can see here, I don't need to declare any variable or any number. I can just instantly get the result by typing my arithmetic equation. In order to execute your previous command, you can press up arrow and enter. Your previous command will be executed. So here it is. So that taking a name variable as a name. Now I am going to say hi down. Now name has been replaced with my given name. Name variable where I have taken the name variable as name as Ram and stored it in name variable. Here in print, the name has been replaced with Ram. Here you can see I did not declare it as a string or as a any initializations or declarations has not been given. Because Python don't need those initializations or declarations. On execution, it takes what type of variable it is by seeing the given value. We'll see how these variables work going further in another video. So this is how our first video, our first Python script has been executed. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.